Australia has experienced its fair share of droughts in the past, which is why we started looking into a solution to help car fanatics safely clean and bring a nice shine back to their vehicles, whilst importantly conserving water. We work to create a modern cleaning solution for detailing light to moderately dirty vehicles without the need of a hose for washing and rinsing. After a few years of development with over 50 formula changes, we're proud to introduce Dry Spell, our modern rinseless wash that uses some cool new chemistry so you can safely clean your vehicle indoors or outdoors with just 2 buckets, a few purpose-made cloths, and a drying towel. Rinseless washing is ideal in many different circumstances, like for apartment dwellers who don't have access to a hose or wash bay, people in water-restricted areas, classic car owners who don't use water due to fear of rust forming on internal areas, or simply for a midweek or pre-car show maintenance clean to quickly bring back the shine to your garaged friend. We find it takes us a quarter of the time with this system over traditional washing with a hose. It's a pH neutral and biodegradable formula that's safe on quality waxes, sealants, ceramic coatings and paint protection film, and it's suitable for all exterior surfaces of your vehicle. Our Dry Spell rinseless wash should not be confused with a waterless wash. We've found rinseless washing to be a better, safer and more modern solution thanks to its blend of the latest surfactants that are specifically created to break down and lift off light dirt and grime with protective polymers to encapsulate them and lubricate the surface, minimising the risk of ever creating scratches or swirls in your vehicle's paint. Using the appropriate cloth is crucial in this washing system. That's why we created the Plushes, a high quality edgeless microfiber towel with the ideal density to retain the right amount of cleaning solution and a deeper pile fibre to avoid pushing dirt or grit into your paint. Begin by adding 8 litres of water to a 15 litre bucket or to the top of the Bowden Zone logo on our buckets. Pour in 40 ml of Dry Spell, quickly agitate, then drown 6 to 8 Plushes cloths in the solution. The number of cloths you'll need is dictated by the size of what you're cleaning. For the pre-spray bottle or our frother pump sprayer, mix up a stronger solution with good quality water at a ratio of 40:1. If you accidentally mix in too much product, you may get some unwanted streaking later, and if you use too little, it won't lift dirt particles or lubricate the surface sufficiently. For best results, it's crucial to use the correct technique. Work in a shaded, cool area out of the wind, begin with the top sections and progress to the lower, more soiled areas last. Apply an even spray over one panel at a time and allow it to dwell for 2 minutes to gently break down and lift light dirt and grime from the surface. Grab a wet cloth from the Dry Spell bucket, lightly wring it out over the bucket till it's not dripping and fold it into quarters. Gently drag the cloth in one direction across the sprayed section, slowly rolling up the front edge as you move along the panel. This is so you always have a clean leading edge, preventing any dirt from potentially scratching your paint. Flip or fold the cloth to a clean side and start to clean the next area the same way. After all 8 sides of the cloth have been used, switch to a new cloth, placing the used cloth in a separate bucket away from your clean cloths. Once that panel is clean, immediately dry the clean section. You can use our big green sucker with Boss Gloss, or if you're a real perfectionist, you can dry with our Afterglow drying aid, as it's one of the glossiest products from our range and leaves a perfect anti-static finish as well. Both of these will add to the already beautifully slick and shining finish that Dry Spell creates. Work right around the vehicle now till it's all clean. Any remaining Dry Spell solution and cloths in the bucket can be stored away and reused for up to 2 weeks later in your next rinseless wash. The dirty Plushes cloths and drying towels should then be machine washed as per their instructions inside the packaging. This 1 litre bottle of Dry Spell is super economical as it can make up to 200 litres of finished product. You can buy it in either the 1 litre concentrate or in the handy Dry Spell pack that comes with the 1 litre concentrate, a 500 ml pre-spray already mixed with distilled water, and as our generosity never ends, a great little measuring cup too. Dry Spell has become one of the most used products in our sheds as it's practical, economical, water saving, and gives what we think is a nicer finish than traditional washing, and it's all done in a quarter of the time. It's not going to be for everyone, but for those who need it, we know you'll enjoy using it as much as we do. Thank you for watching.